Hello everyone. So to discuss today, if I need to be very good in English to get a good score, let's understand something. What is being very good in English from these exams' point of view? Since these exams are not testing you on only language proficiency and English alone, it will be incomplete to say that being very good in English is sufficient. Usually, we teach our students that these exams test you on comprehension skills. By that, we mean comprehension also includes an understanding of why the author has written the passage in this manner and mentioned the stated words. There is a reason and an importance in thinking like a writer, which we emphasize on to understand better and prepare well for these exams. They also test you, these exams, on logical reasoning skills, where you reason out on the basis of logic to reach the right answer. For the same reason, only English proficiency or language knowledge about language will not be very helpful. You will need to have additional skills of being able to reason out or logical reasoning skills and understand what these are. Vocabulary is also very important, but not in a lighter sense. Understanding vocabulary by understanding the meaning of the word as well as their contextual fit will be beneficial to logically reason out and understand the right answer choice. For all of these reasons, if I still say that only being good at English is going to guarantee me a good score, would be incomplete. For an overall good preparation and approach, it is important to have a grip on language and acquire the above skills. I hope this was helpful. All the best.